In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add a DNS record in Namecheap. Hover over your name and then select Dashboard. Once you are within the dashboard, we want to click on Domain List. Once you select Domain List, then you will need to choose your domain for which you want to add a DNS record and just click on Manage. Once you select Manage, you will see the Advanced DNS tab right here, and you just want to click on it. From within the Advanced DNS tab, you will have the option to add a new record here. So click on Add New Record, and you will see A records, quadruple A records, alias, CNAME, depending on whatever DNS record you want to add. So let's just do an A record as an example. You will need to paste the host here, the value, which is going to be the IP address, and also set the TTL. Afterwards, you will click on Save All Changes, and that is how you add a DNS record to Namecheap. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.